Hi everybody. I was making these models for the railway. If I see anyone's house I think is interesting, I take a couple of pictures of it and sort of guesstimate the dimensions. This was a house, it was a bungalow converted, and I showed it to the lady who lives there. So she asked me if I'd make her one. So I've done a bigger scale with support. I'll give you a size comparison. That's those little Warhammer paints. Now another customer saw this and asked me if I'd do his house. So this was printing last night. This is my most complex roof design yet. Now this has got the support all around it. If you don't know what I'm saying, this is all the scaffolding. So any overhang, it puts this support on there, like the windowsill. But it's really, some of it comes off quite well. Other bits, a little bit like this bit along here, really hard to remove. Now, I did start this print yesterday morning, but had some issues with the fan. Now, if you can see, it's only bolted at the bottom. It's been whirring for ages, and what it is, it's where it's only bolted at the bottom and it's slightly canted over. The fan has actually been rubbing on the, like this metal heat disperser that's on here, and two vanes snapped off. Got stuck in it yesterday, so I'd set it running yesterday morning, came home. It'd been running for 4 hours, it'd only done 1% because it had obviously overheated and shut itself off. So I managed to borrow that fan from a lad up the road, ordered him a new one, and set this running yesterday at 3 o'clock. I don't think it finished till about 3 in the morning, which was unfortunate. We do have a rule of not starting any prints if we don't know the time. Because, as you know, I've got this up in my loft and the missus don't like it. It's the biggest print I think I've done. Anyway, my phone holder decided to give up the ghost, so I can't use two hands to show you what it was like with all the stuff off. That's just a quick 3D printing video. If you see how clean this one came out. Now see, this had a layer of support along here which I had to clean off with a little Dremel tool, but I started to go through. If you can see those little black marks, that's where I started to go through the top layer. So you've got to be careful. Anyway guys, see you later, bye.